What's going on, everybody? If you want lights where you can switch from Christmas, Halloween, and Thanksgiving all in one shot, stay tuned to this video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have outdoor lights. I just reviewed some outdoor lights, but I put it indoors. These ones we're gonna put outdoors. Now, the only hard thing that I have to decide on this install is where I'm going to put it. Front yard, backyard. I wanna put it on the backyard where the deck is so the lights can shine on the deck and under the deck. We are going to go ahead and get into it. Right here, you have cool white, warm white, and then you have your RGB lighting, which is multiple color lighting. So there you go. You can use Alexa and Google, which we use already. We are already integrated into that. With the RGB lighting, the multiple color lighting, you have 2300K to 6500K. Not bad at all. Again, we have 100 foot, and yeah. So here are some more specs for y'all. Y'all can pause it, read it for yourselves. All right. And I know a lot of people have a hard time hooking up Wi-Fi with their smart devices and stuff like that. But if you see right here, it says only supports 2.4 gigahertz. So you guys, if you have a problem trying to go from your 5 gigahertz to 2.4 gigahertz, I don't know why it's like this, you guys. That's just how a lot of companies are. Okay. So as y'all know, I've been reviewing a lot of smart things for the past couple of years, and this has been one of the problems of why people, can't hook up. They always have issues. Contact your internet provider and ask them what is your 2.4 gigahertz network. Mine is my guest network. So I have my regular network, and then my guest network uses the 2.4 gigahertz. So I always use my guest network when I hook up my smart things. So there goes some more specs for you right there. Right here, your temperature, negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit is crazy. All right, that's crazy, insane. And then you got 140 degrees Fahrenheit, in which I will just be in the house on both of those type of temperatures. I wouldn't even worry about being outside. Let's go ahead and get into it. Opening the box, and here you go. They have nice little quick steps right here, which is pretty cool. I like that. All right, so they tell you right here you get 4x24 light strips, the power adapter. Here we go. All right, now you want to check out all of your packing lists. Make sure you have everything, the instructions, and then we have our lights, in which this is what I'm excited to see. You have your double-sided tape right here, have your light bulb right here inside built in. All right, you have the option to screw if you want to screw, or you can use your double-sided tape. So that's one of them right here. Got one, got two, three, four. They said connected to the wall, but the way your outlet is outside, however your outlet is, however you configured outside, this may not fit into your electrical box. Then you will have a problem. So if you have to use an extension, I might be using the extension, but they might not recommend to use an extension. Let me see. X power supply limit, blah, blah, blah. Input, 100 to 240 volts, blah, blah, blah. Output, 340. So it don't say, don't hook up to a surge protector or something like that. You know what I mean? It don't say it, but we're just going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to do it because the way my electrical outlet is outside, it won't be able to fit. They pre-hooked it up. So we are going to take it apart. And this is easy, you guys. All you got to do is just put your male into your female. Your male has threads and your female has the outer threads. Okay. And then you see where it has like that little flat lump right there, that little flat part. So all you do is put it and match it to this flat part here, and then push in, and then you take your thread it on. All right, you guys, so I'm about to get the ball rolling. This is what I'm saying about the block being big. So we could take this part out, and I'm one-handed bandit on y'all, so forgive me. So we take that part out and put it in. Let's see. All right, so it fits right into our electrical box. Wow. And will it close all the way? That's the question. No, it won't close all the way because of the roundness of that. So I might use one of my extensions. Let's just set it in there. I wanted to get my tool bag. I reviewed this like years ago and I rarely use it, but today I will be using it because we're outside and we're going to be going up, down, left, right on the ladder and all of that. So, all right, right now I'm going to be using screws. I'm not going to be using the tape because above us is just wood panels. So we're just going to screw right onto that. And then I'm gonna have to go under my gutter over there, in which I will have to use tape over that side. So yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. So we're gonna take this. I want to install a light over this corner. Y'all will see when I'm done because I will be double wiring. All right, you guys, I went to get the instructions, well, basically the user manual, and it don't tell you like how many inches away from the wall you should be. It's just trying to navigate you through the app. But other ones I had said you need to be at least 2 to 3 inches away from the wall. So we're going to stick to that rule. I'm about 2 inches away from the wall anyway. So if I need to redo anything, y'all know me, I'll just take it back apart and redo it. So let's go ahead and finish this. All right, I got y'all back some. Ooh, it's dirty up here. Wow, that's embarrassing. I need to power wash this thing or something. We'll do that later. We'll do that at a different date. I'm already beefing with HOA. I have an oil spill in my driveway and I need to get it up. So I'll get to that later. I'm just going to hold off a little bit, taking photos while I'm sleeping. Yeah, no. What's wrong? The only hard thing about this is going up and down, you guys. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. If I was getting paid for it, then good. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's just hope that the lights land in the right spot. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Woo, you guys, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Next one, I'm gonna go straight down, and then when we get down there, I'm gonna run the lights down. I will be getting rid of these bushes. We had it for a long time. My wife don't want them no more. They was here when we bought the house, and she don't really like bushes anyway. But we're gonna get rid of them, do something else. All right, you guys. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I have to say that this is amazing. Now, the cool thing about this is that we got rid of all of those pine bushes right there. Everything is gone. We redid the garden. So with the garden, I'm going to do like a little waterfall and stuff. So it will definitely flow with the lighting. But since we are here, we are going to just go over a few things. Now, I have y'all on the screen record. So we're just going to go over some of the scenery. All right. So right here we have Flower Harbor. Okay. And then we have lotus flowers. This is pretty cool. Iceland blue. That's amazing. Look how it goes through the garden. Oh man, this is going to be so cool. We have willows. Glacier Express. That's pretty cool. Sea of clouds. Now, the Sea of Clouds, that is pretty cool, you guys. I like how it changes colors right there. All right. Fireworks at sea. Maple leaf. Cherry blossoms. All right, so this is my style right here. Y'all know, for the people that subscribe to my channel, that viewed all of my lighting, whether it's being lighting in the basement, lighting on cloud ceilings and stuff like that. Even when y'all look at my reviews, I love the purple lighting. So I love purple lights, you guys. All right, so we have hut. Let's say hut in the snow. Not hunt in the snow, but hut in the snow. All right. firefly. And you guys, it has so many settings here that I can't go over all of these settings in one video, you guys. Okay, y'all not gonna sit here and watch this whole thing, but this is Northlands. Then you have grassland. I'm dragging everything on this back right now, you guys. Bee. I'm not trying to get stung. I saw a yellow jacket earlier. Somebody was mad at my bee video where I killed the bee in the bee trap, and they was like, you know, they're going extinct. And in my head, I'm like, okay, but if that bee sting you, you'll be going extinct. Y'all never think about if somebody's allergic to bees, right? No, you thinking about the bees. You're not thinking about if somebody will die if they get stung by it, right? Right. So in all reality, you don't really care about people. But anyways, save the bees, whatever floats your boat. All right, and I should have brought my broom with all these cobwebs up here and spiders. Get that. There you go. All right, spider gun. At least I hope. And he told me don't kill the bees, right? Don't kill the bees. What? He's looking for a hole to go in. You see? And you want to know why I killed the bee? You probably hear this and think it's a bee. There's no holes, bro. Don't sting me, bro. All right, y'all bee activists, y'all better help them. Why can't you go to somebody else's house, bro? Can't you just go to somebody else's house with this nonsense? Oh, he's trying to go in my house. All right, for the bee activists out there, sorry y'all have to see this, but I'm not playing. He better be gone by the time I get back. Y'all see what I'm about to do. I'm not playing. I'm well prepared. All right, I'm back. I told y'all, for the ones that subscribe to my channel for a long time, y'all know I am well prepared. So that famous phrase that everybody say, F around and find out. All right, this is for the bee activists out there. You might want to turn off of this channel. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Okay. All right. Oh, he's by y'all. He want me to mess up my iPhone. That ain't gonna happen. He hears this. Bro, I come in peace. I'm telling you, I come in peace. He's trying to look for somewhere to make a nest, but we're not playing that. All right, this bee is getting annoying. All right, you guys. Oh, now he runs. Now you run away. F around and find out. Jacket. Watching my back out here. I saw a big yellow jacket the other day. Very big. I don't want those problems. I told you I'm not playing. I don't care. I'm giving you a chance, bro. I'm giving you... I don't care. I don't care. You guys, use protective. Use your proper PPE. Me, I don't care right now. I'm not playing with no bees right now, man. I'm not getting stung.